wild and crazy guys.
Yes.
What you guys doing?
You know, just been puzzle piecing and melting metal.
That's good.
You know, hopefully we'll have this done today. So with that being said,
that would be nice. Nice. Yeah, welding cages seem a lot harder than they seem.
Yeah, I was just telling him, after a day of this, production is like having a day off.
Yeah, seriously.
I go right back to production. Slide right in.
Yeah. You have to do all kinds of welding yoga to do this kind of thing. Are you just getting this door bar in here, right?
Yeah, so we're tacking the bars in place, and then I'm welding up what I can in here, and then break the tacks, pull it out, weld around on this side where I can't get to, and then put it back in, weld it up, and hopefully that'll be it.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna move for a minute, just a minute. Hell yeah.
What's up, dog?
What's up, bro?
How's it going?
Pretty good. Swap into the big hammer camera.
Oh, yeah? But what do we, the bigger boy? Uh-oh.
Yeah, this car already has a cam.
Or do you have to replace the lifter with something more potent or spring?
No, it's got Johnson's in it, I believe. So we're just
do you have to mess with that, the lockout again, or no?
Nope, Tom already did that.
Cool, alright.
I think it's got heads. Tom did heads cam, but yeah.
But it came in with heads cam, so now it's just going to be cam only.
Yep.
It's that easy.
I don't know where that came from.
Ryan, I bought that one for Lucas Friday.
Sure.
Which one do you want?
I want to try peach sweet tea. I love peach tea.
Try it before you open that, because they're very hard to find.
Like the rare Pokemon cards?
Yeah.
This is the holographic one?
You can only get them at like the vitamin shop.
Oh.
It's pretty good.
Take it.
I know this one's good too. Not so
I
hard
gotta
to
get
find.
protein so I can get more tonight.
Sure.
Yeah.
Protein. It's going to give you the farts, dude. Oh.
Wiring up the fuel pressure sensor and the nitrous pressure sensor.
Because it's a standalone, right?
To the Pro Max.
Oh, okay.
And tomorrow Jason's gonna make the mounts for the solenoids, and I'll finish wiring those up. I got the wires out there, but that'll be it for the nitrous.
Nice. Yeah, nitrous, meth, and ethanol, and ice in the tank. That's a lot of cooling.
Got a lot going on here.
Yeah. Should be quite a cool intake charge, though.
Probably start at like 2 degrees of timing.
Yeah? Why is that?
It's on 91 in meth right now.
Okay.
It's probably gonna make 20 pounds.
Here's the cool thing. I have control.
Over boost?
Yeah.
You can control boost?
Yeah. I have it
Based
set.
on ethanol content?
don't think so. At least not that I've seen. Maybe you can create a custom table to do that, but I don't see. It might have to be like a modifier or something. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the bypass completely open for the first couple of poles so I can rough in the math, then start my crossover. Because this is going to hit its crossover a hell of a lot sooner than a Pro Charger's going to. No. So.
Even bypass at all? Really? Is zero boost?
Pretty much. You drag that all the way up. I just need to see what the zero boost is.
It's solid.
Great.
Man, with a blower that's not making any boost, this motor sure does struggle. It's just like, I'm trying to turn it. It's like trying to turn another motor that's turned off, like on top of it.
The blower still makes nice whiny noise.
It does. It does.
It's gonna get real out when that bypass shuts. And it's gonna be like my car. When we had no pipe on it, we're like, well, this sucks. Make 200 horsepower.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Put the pipe on.
Yeah.
There's 1100.
I like how he pointed it to the ceiling and then it did all that damage. Like, that is from your car, I'm pretty sure.
That was cool.
I thought
the boost control is not nearly as good as it would seem.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you didn't tell it to do that?
I mean, yes, I did, but that was me commanding 25% duty cycle on the.
So it wasn't even closed all the way?
No, not even close.
It sounds like you hit a fucking shot of nitrous.
Until there's enough air swirling that it just says you. And it does what it wants.
I thought he was supposed to put nitrous on the white car.
That was cool.
That was pretty funny.
Did you see when it jumped up?
On a mission.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it'll be such a smooth transition into the blower.
No, it's not. And that's where it's going to be more of an issue. At least boost is relatively linear with a Pro Charger, not so much with it.
No.
By 4,000 RPM.
So that was cool. What did it top?
22 pounds.
On 800 on 60.
But do we want to put in the good gas?
Yeah.
We're not going to make any more progress on 91.
What about your fuel?
I've just got feeling's not terrible. I'm feeling good.
Fueling good?
Fueling good. It's based off of map.
Oh,
so the Holly, you know, and that's the way all the standalones generally work. But seeing as how the regular computer works off of the map, if I could have a nice cross like that, that would be like super easy, super nice.
But you have to figure out what the map's doing and the map's doing, and you know, interpolate things.
They don't necessarily correlate to each other at every point in RPM.
I'm sure a Motec would do something like that, right? Or no?
I mean, I think the Holly has the ability to run a map.
Oh.
I don't know why they're all set up like this specifically. It would just make it easier to do the crossover.
Right.
You know, because then both systems are working on the same playing field.
Off the same map?
Yeah.
Or different maps, okay.
Yeah, same map.
Gotcha.
But as of right now, you can have math correlate to a different map and engine RPM and stuff. And it's going to be close, but it's just not going to be...
I guess that's why this kind of setup takes you so much time with this kind of thing.
It's a big pain in the ass.
Yeah. Gotcha. Huh.
Not a fan of how the bypass works either.
Yeah.
Because the bypass is dependent on engine RPM too.
Oh,
so
really?
like 20% bypass at 2,000 RPM is very different from 20% bypass at 6,000 RPM.
Right, because the blower is turning at a totally different rate.
Yeah.
Why'd you even run to get ice? There's supposed to be golf ball style hail pretty soon. Oh, that's nice.
How do we get the torque up down low?
What's that?
How do we get the torque up down low? Like, it just doesn't hit that hard down low.
Say again?
It just doesn't hit that hard down low.
The bypass doesn't seem to be... I'll look at what the Holly says, but like down here, it doesn't seem like it's closing.
Like, if you look at...
It may not be closing very fast. I mean, this blower just does not hit hard down low.
I mean, look at that. It actually lines right up with Riley's.
Yeah?
Down low.
Yeah. This blower, this rotor pack just does not...
Screams up top.
It screams up top. It doesn't hit hard down low.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
That must be a byproduct of the higher helix.
It's gotta be. I mean, it's just a big blower.
Yeah.
You know, at low RPM.
Because if you look at the older stuff, it hits instantly.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you trade down low for a little up top.
A 1.7 liter blower.
Yeah.
That thing hits like a ton of bricks.
Yeah.
And Rob's is about the same too. Look, I guess that's just the shape of the blower.
That's just 2650 things.
I'm curious of what the other, if they're manipulated or not.